Hey UCFL, I'm Reverend Maggie Alderman, and I want to invite you to join Reverend Kathy and myself for our Lenten experience. Lent is a tough time of year. We have two choices. We can either go through the process consciously or unconsciously, but we are going to go through the process. This year, Reverend Kathy and I are going to be using Rise by John Pavlovitz as our guide for our Wednesday experience, where we're inviting you to join us on Zoom at 6 o'clock for about 45 minutes. We're committed to supporting you, supporting each other, to do our inner work. So on the other side of this experience, when Easter comes around and it is our turn to rise in new expression, we are truly transformed. I look forward to seeing you in class. Happy Easter.